How to clear window cache on your computer for best performance. First, let's go to the start button here, right click on it, then click on run. In the space provided here, type in temp, then hit the enter. It brings to this interface, so you have to come back to this place and clean this time to time. All you have to do is to click any one, then Ctrl A, then Shift delete this here. Then if it brings you to this option that says continue, don't worry, click on continue, then delete, and you likely something like this. Then click on this button and skip. The reason being is that some of this file is open right away. That is why you are unable to clean that on your device. Now with this, let's close this page again. Then the same place, right click on it, click on run. Then this time around, type in percentage temp percentage. Then hit the enter button, or you click on the OK here. Then it also brings to this interface. You can see these are junk files that accumulate space on your device. Ctrl A, then Shift delete, then click on yes again. Then don't worry, click on this button and skip to delete this file. Some of this file is opening, that is why it's unable to delete. Then guys, with this you are good to go. You've been able to clean two important settings, and that will help your device to run very fast and get more space on your device. In that same manner guys, right click on this place, click on this run button again, third time, then type in prefetch and hit the enter button. Then if you have any file here like when you did for the previous two settings, then Ctrl A as well, then Shift delete. Make sure you delete the file from here to empty all these temporary files. So with this, your laptop will run very fast because you've been able to take away some of the junks folder on your device. Now the next thing you have to do, you have to open your C drive this time around. Come to this Explorer, click on it. Then at this side of the PC, click on PC. Now here you have your device like this. If it is partitioned or not, make sure you locate the local, which is this C drive, double click on it. Now go to Windows. Here you need access to the Windows. Open the Windows, double click on it. Now that I've double click on the Windows, then scroll down to software distribution. Just type X on the keyboard. Then from here, double click on software distribution here. Once you do that, then out of what is here guys, locate and tap on download. Now here is what you need to do guys. You need to remove all these files. This file and junks file that's of no use to your device. So just right click everything like this, then Shift delete and hit the enter button. Then click on continue button to delete this file. This file, all you have to do is to delete this file to be sure that your system is cleaned from the trashes, from caches and others. So this will help your computer to run very fast. So come to this C drive now. At this C drive, right click, then click on properties. Once you click on properties, to this interface, then go ahead and click on tools. Once you click on tools, you are focusing on the defragment here. Click on this defragments to optimize it. It is always good to optimize your computer once in a while or time to time, and make sure that you are on the C drive. Then click on this optimization button, then wait for it to optimize. This will fix any glitches on your device and take away every caches that may be affecting your laptop. This is very good. Now that I've done that, then close this page, close this one, then we are good to go. Then you see I have some important thing to do. You need to run a simple command here guys to be sure that your system is fully okay. Now in the search bar here, type cmd, then you have this command prompt, right click and run as administrative. It brings you to this interface. You're going to say yes, click on yes. Now it comes out like this, then type in this command, ipconfig/flush, then DNS. The DNS should be capital letter, then hit the enter button. Now you can see that says successfully flush the DNS resolver caches. This will help you to remove every unnecessary caches on your device that may be preventing your device from running very fast. With this guys, your computer will run very fast. Now the last but not the least is very simple guys. Again, right click on the start button here, then run command button here. Once you tap on run this command, then here is what you need to write in this place. Type in WX, then reset, then click on OK button. So just wait a few seconds. This will reset everything on your computer, thereby making your computer to run perfectly. So with these simple settings, guys, you'll be able to clean your computer to the barest minimum and your computer will start performing very well. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share. See you soon, guys, on my next video.